nucleus controls all the activities of the cell. Then we have the cytoplasm, this jelly-like structure. All of this is the cytoplasm, the jelly-like structure within the cell, and it is a site for different chemical reactions in the cell. Then we have the mitochondrion, this one here. If there are many, we say they are called mitochondria, but one such as this is mitochondrion. This is the powerhouse of the cell, and it is the site for energy production through the process of respiration. We are going to look at the plant cell now. Here you'll find that some structures that we looked at in the animal cell, they are not here in the plant cell. And you'll find that some structures which are in the plant cell here, they are not there in the animal cell. So you have to pay attention and be able to identify those structures. We say one, this is the outer that covers the plant cell. You can see it is a bit thick, and this is made up of what we call cellulose, and it gives the shape to the plant cell and protects the inner parts. Then we have the nucleus. You can see here the plant cell has nucleus here, just like the animal cell, which also has nucleus. So this nucleus controls all the activities that occur within the cell here. Then we have the cell membrane. This is this thin line here. We say this cell membrane is semi-permeable and it only selects materials that pass through here. So it controls the entry and exit of materials in and out of the cell. We have the chloroplast, this structure here, or this organelle here, and we say this chloroplast contains a pigment called chlorophyll. It is a green pigment and it is abundant in plants, and that's why plants appear green, because they have abundance of this pigment called chlorophyll. And this chlorophyll is the one that traps sunlight. You remember from your primary science that chlorophyll's role is to trap sunlight, which is used for photosynthesis. And photosynthesis occurs within this chloroplast here, inside this organelle here. And you can see that the animal cell lacks this chloroplast. And therefore, what do you expect? Do you expect animal cell to carry out the process of photosynthesis? Definitely no. Then we have the mitochondrion, which is also present in animal cell, the powerhouse of the cell, which is responsible for the process of respiration. And we know that respiration is a process that results into production of energy that we use for our daily activities at home and so on. Then we have what we call the cell vacuole, this large structure here, we call cell vacuole. And this cell vacuole is permanent in plant cell, and it is responsible for the storage of photosynthetic products. When photosynthesis occurs, the plant manufactures its own food, and this